Hi everybody, thank you so much for joining me for my unboxing and a review of Belle Comfort by Ellen Wille from the Stimulate collection in the color Light Bernstein Rooted. If you're watching from outside of Europe, the Stimulate collection is not easily available, but I got this one from Adorans Trendco and they do ship worldwide. So go and check out their website. I have put the link down below in the description box. And when you use my code K20, you will get an amazing 20% off, just so you are aware. But let's start and unbox this style. So securely packaged with a net. So let's look at the cup construction whilst we are here. So it looks to me like it has a mono part, but on the website it says it has a mono top. Now when you look closely here, this isn't your normal layer that you would have like when you have a mono part on the side, because you can see my fingers through it. So I would say you could probably part it as if it was a mono top. So I will show that to you and check that out when I put it on. Because on first sight this looks like a mono part, but as I said, you can see my fingers here through it really nicely. So we will see. You have covered wefts on the side and back, so it makes that really a comfortable cap. It feels really soft. The lace front is extended quite a bit, so you have shorter ear tabs here. They still have metal stays in them. So on the side, I would say this will probably look really natural because you don't have big, bulky ear tabs, but quite small ones, and the rest is lace. So we will look at that as well. And then you have an extended velvet nape with Velcro adjusters. There is not much stretch in this cap, so we will see. I'll show you where the adjusters are at the moment, straight out the box. So this is where they are. This is Belle Comfort. So it's a straight style with some slight curves in it, which I think makes it look less perfect, which natural hair or bio hair would also do. And this color, Light Bernstein Rooted, one of my favorite colors by Ellen Wille. It's beautiful. So let's pop this on. Wow. Oh wow, it's beautiful. Let's check position. So on me it should be 4 fingers. Yeah. Off from the bridge of the nose, and that's exactly where it sits. Wow, this is stunning. Right, let me not play with it too much. Let me show you just straight away what it looks like straight out of the box. So as you can see, Belle Comfort is a longer wig with layers. So we have a few layers here at the front, little bit of a flopper, but if you want to just see what it looks like without doing anything to it, because you might need to return it because you might not like the color or whatever it is, so you shouldn't do too much to it. So just check, so you can just run your fingers through it a little bit like that, and it's not a permanent solution, but it will get out of your face for time being. But it has a few layers. Really beautiful look. How it then folds down, it's just stunning. It's called Belle Comfort, I think, because of the cup construction. You have those covered wefts, which just give it a really soft feeling than if you would have open wefts. First things first, let's look at that part. So at the moment, I feel it, the part should be here. So let's look what the part looks like. As I said, I have dark hair underneath it, but my wig cap is shown. So if you have no hair underneath it, I think this is a really amazing part there. If you're like me and you don't want to wear a wig cap, you can just use scar tape and put it underneath it, and then that would also get rid of the line between the wig cap and your own hair. So let's look at the other side where we have those 2 layers, and that looks like this. So I think this is a mono top, just slightly differently packaged, if that makes sense. So let's look at the lace front. As we are used to from Ellen Wille, look at that lace front. It's absolutely spot on. And as I said, you have these really small ear tabs. So they start here, this bit here, that you can see at the front. That's your ear tab. Everything else is your lace front. Transition into it is just perfect. You would know. This is absolutely stunning. And as I said, that mono top is beautiful. So in terms of fit, so I have without hair a 21.5 inch circumference. I have a little bit of hair regrowth, as you've seen, and I'm wearing a wig cap. So my circumference is slightly above that now. This fits tight on me. So I would move it out all the way, almost all the way to the widest possible setting, and then it feels nice and comfortable, really lovely. But I also need to make you aware that I like to wear my wigs quite loose. So if you do have my circumference or similar to mine, you might not want to have it as far out as I have it. Completely depends on how you like to wear your wigs. There's definitely room to tighten it now. There is very little gapping here at the back. So I do think this is a petite average size cap. So I think if you're 22, I think that might just about fit you. But please check that with Adrian's trend code to ensure that it would fit you and that it would fit you comfortably. If you have a small circumference than mine, I think definitely that would fit you. As I said, there's lots of room to tighten it. Fibers, these are heat-friendly fibers, so you can straighten it out more. As I said, you have a few flicks here, which I just think just gives it that really natural look, but you might one day just want a proper straight look. Or you want to maybe add some waves and curls to it. Feel very soft, very fine. If you look here, they do look like bio hair. Tangling wise, so straight out of the box, haven't got much, no problems really at all to run my fingers through it. So if you have longer wigs and they're heat friendly, the nature of the beast is that they will tangle. It's just how it is. So to minimize it, what I do with wigs like this, look how nice these layers are. Oh, beautiful. Anyway, so I just wear my wigs, or the longer ones, if I can, like this, because that helps to minimize the tangling where it happens the most, which is at the nape. It will minimize it, it will not get rid of it. And then I would also recommend to put some kind of silicone spray at the ends of your wig, because what it does is that it kind of coats them to make them smoother, and then tangling is less likely to happen. It probably still will happen, but it's less likely to happen. Have your white tooth comb with you throughout the day. Start from the bottom and just brush through them or comb through it from the bottom up every now and then, again, to keep those tangles at bay. So let me just comb through this all anyway. You see what it looks like combed through. In terms of density, now this is a low density style. I hope you can see that. It sits nice and flush to my head. Permatease wise, there is none that I can feel that's nothing like big and poofy. there might be a little bit, you have some covered wefts. It does feel like there's a little bit of that tease there, but only a little bit, not much. But otherwise, there's nothing big and poofy here. So a really natural, low density wig. Let me show you how little hair there is when I have the pony. Here you can see. If you want more volume, you can just add some waves and curls to it. And this is the beauty of high heat fibers. You can just add the waves and curls you want to it. With that, you can also then get the volume you might want. So let's look at the color Light Bernstein Rooted. A beautiful color. As I said, one of my favorite colors by Ellen Wille. I put the description up here on the screen for you. I will have some outside footage of this color towards the end of the video, so stay tuned for that if you're interested in seeing what this color looks like outside in natural light. So let's talk about styling. So these are heat-friendly fibers, as I mentioned, so you can just change straightness if you wanted to, so you can make it straighter, or you can add waves and curls to it. You can have a pony. Can also have a side pony. Can also clip it up. I like mine messy. But obviously you can work with that if you want it a bit neater. Half up, half down. Definitely works. Again, it's difficult without a mirror, so it's probably not as neat as you might like it, but it is definitely possible. You can add a little headband. Or because you have that amazing extended lace front, also wear it pushed back or pulled back like so. So tell me what you think of Belle Comfort by Ellen Wille. Don't forget, this is available from the Stimulate collection, which is mainly available in Europe. But Adrian Strandco does ship worldwide. So I'll put the link down below in the description box. Don't forget to use my code K20 for an amazing 20% off. Any questions, any comments, put them down below. And I hope I see you very, very soon. Stay tuned for the outdoor footage. Have a lovely day. Bye.